Actually, the first time I applied and added another MP2 account, na-reject yung application ko. Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'll show you how to open a PAG-IBIG MP2 account. Napakadali lang and we can do this purely online. So this is assuming that you already have an existing virtual PAG-IBIG account. Kung meron na kayong existing MP2 account and you want to add more MP2 accounts, this video is also for you. Same process lang ang susundan. Okay, you might be wondering, kung meron ka ng existing MP2 account, why would you want to add another? I talked about this on my previous video where I talked about PAG-IBIG MP2 strategies to maximize your profits. So make sure to check that out. Okay, so andito ako sa Virtual PAG-IBIG, log in, and as you can see here, we currently have 2 MP2 accounts. Ngayon, mag-a-add tayo ng additional MP2 account. Let's go to pagibigfundservices.com and then click for members. Agree to the privacy policy. Click MP2 savings. Then click save now. Again, agrees to the privacy policy. Before proceeding, make sure that you prepare the following. Agree to the terms and conditions and then click proceed. Okay, so ito yung mga kailangan nyo in order to open an account. First is your MID. You can get your MID on your virtual PAG-IBIG account. Login muna tayo. Continue. Input your email and password. Then, punta kayo dito sa regular savings. And then, yan. Dito nyo makikita yung MID. Just copy it. Balik tayo dito. Paste it. Fill up your last name, your first name, and your date of birth. Click validate. Choose your membership classification. My case active. Click continue. As you can see here, I am eligible for an MP2 savings account. So auto-filled up na yung ibang details, and then complete your contact details. Place your contact number, your telephone number, and your email address. Okay, by the way, on your contact number, kailangan yung i-add yung 0. Click proceed. Yes. Then an OTP will be sent via SMS. Enter the OTP and click proceed. Double check all your details. Auto-filled up na siya based on your current information sa Virtual PAG-IBIG account nyo. So, other information, mode of payment, I'll select ito. Any accredited PAG-IBIG collecting partners. Desired monthly savings, you could put any amount here as long as minimum 500 pesos. Not necessarily na kung ano yung ilalagay yung amount dito ay dapat yun yung babayaran yung monthly, because MP2 is not mandatory and you can fund it anytime you want and any amount as long as minimum 500. For the source of fund, nag-iiba yung requirements depende sa source of fund na pipiliin mo. For example, kung savings or deposits ang pipiliin ko, ang requirement lang is bank statements reflecting the balance. If employment income naman, 1 month latest payslip or latest accounts or tax declaration if self-employed. So to make things easier for me, savings or deposits na lang pipiliin ko. Now, upload your valid ID with photo and take a selfie photo showing the front of your ID. Now, for the bank statement, madali na lang to kunin, especially if you have digital banks. On my case, I got mine from CBank, which is now Maribank. To know how to retrieve your CBank or Maribank bank statement online, check out this video. For BPI naman, check out this video. So, take a screenshot lang. Importante nakikita yung name nyo, name ng bank, account number, date, and the balance of your account. Okay, now upload it and submit. You'll see your tracking number. You'll also receive an SMS and email confirming that they've received your application and ready na for evaluation. Actually, the first time I applied and added another MP2 account, na-reject yung application ko due to incorrect or wrong requirement. Hindi nila specify kung ano yung mali, but I know it's either yung valid ID ko, the selfie with my valid ID, or yung requirement na sinubmit ko depending on the source of fund na pinili ko. So I reviewed my requirements and the ID that I used was my driver's license. And ang napansin ko was that, di ba meron security hologram yung driver's license natin? And napansin ko na medyo natakpan niya yung ID number ko. So, I guess that was the reason. So, instead, I uploaded my national ID since clearer siya. So, make sure that on your valid ID, lahat ng details nababasa maigi. So, I just waited a few days. Nag-apply ako January 7 and I got the approval on January 12. Now, you can check it by logging into your account. Makikita nyo dito that our account has been added and there are now 3 MP2 accounts. And that's it. I hope you learned something on this video. On my next video, ipapakita ko naman kung paano i-fund yung MP2 accounts nyo using Virtual PAG-IBIG. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!